This is my fiance. She's starting a new channel, how to water plants and bushes. So check it out. There you go. That's all you got to do is you got to have the right pressure of water, and you know, make sure you soak the plants, but not too much where you know they're dying. So pretty much simple. So check out her channel on how to water plants. Nothing, just doing my video. What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money, back at it again with another video on the G35. So if this is your first time tuning into the channel and you're not one of those 95% that just watch the video and don't subscribe, well then subscribe to the channel right down below this video, and like always hit that thumbs up, it helps out the channel. And like always, hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss out on any future content that I put on the G35. But like always, if you do those three things, I'd greatly appreciate it, and to be part of the G35 fam. So now that I got the intro out of the way, like always, how's it going, everybody? Hopefully you are staying safe out there. And well, I'm very excited because on today's video, if you saw the thumbnail, yes, I got some JDM tail lights for my G35 sedan. Yeah, I've been wanting to get these for my car for a long time. If you've been watching my channel lately, I've been trying to kind of make my car look like a JDM style G35. So I do have some aftermarket stuff done to it. I know I'm not going to replicate it to the T to be a JDM, you know, G35, but you know, there's bits and pieces that you can do, like exterior mods and all that you can do to the car. So now that I got these tail lights, I want to put them on. So if you're looking at getting some of these for your G35 sedan, then this is the video for you. And if you want to still get the same look with the amber turn signals, I actually did a video for the coupes, so that way you don't have to spend a lot of money on getting the tail light. There's a way where you can save a lot of money and still get the same look. So if you haven't seen that video and you have a coupe, check it out. I'll put it at the end of the video. But pretty much this video is for the sedan owners. So I've been talking too much, so let's get the video started. Alright guys, so pretty much these are the tail lights that I'm going to install on my G35. No big difference. The only big difference, as you can tell, is this lens is an orange look compared to the OEM. It's more of a red. But other than that, guys, they're pretty much the same tail light. That's the only difference. Gotcha. I mean, y'all want to see my wife? There she is. She makes sneak appearances. So that was her second appearance. So I'm gonna try to get her again, because she's trying to start a new channel on how to water plants. But so anyways, either that or she's trying to wet me with the hose. Anyways, guys, so yeah, like I said, that's the only difference. The reason why I went with this style, the 0506 style, is because I just like the way the LED round look compared to the other 0304 style, where you know it's more of the straight LED lines. For some reason I just like this style of tail lights. But what I did notice, if you are going to purchase these, they're more pricier than the 0304 style JDMs. The 03 and the 04, for some reason, the total price is the same price as one tail light. These are like $200 a piece. So you know, I don't know why. I guess just the newer style. But yeah, these are a lot more pricier than the 0304. But I was able to get some. I actually got these for a great deal, and I was pretty shocked on how fast they got shipped over here, because they were from Japan, and it only took like maybe a week and a half to get over here. So once I got them, I was really excited, so I thought I'd put them on. But that's pretty much it. I know I'm talking too much, but if you don't know how to take off the tail light, it's pretty simple. You just need a 5/16 nut driver. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts or nuts that you got to take off when you pull this little panel down. And then of course you have your clip here and your clip there, and you know, you pretty much just pop this off like that. Just like that. And then, like I said, you pull this down and you'll have those you know, bolts that you got to move, the nuts, and your tail light will come down. So I'm going to do that right now, and we're going to install these lights. But before I do that, guys, let me show you what the lights look like before I install these. That way you can kind of get a comparison. So pretty much just, you know, have this exposed. I got my socket right here. Loosen them up. That's one. That's two. That's three, and then there's one behind here that's kind of hidden. And then that's your fourth one. So I pull all these off, and then we'll remove the tail light. One, two, three, four. If you don't want to lose these, put these to the side. That way they don't fall in where the tire goes. Then you pretty much just pull this out. Just like that. Alright, once you take it off, you pretty much just release it from there. All I really did was turn the tail light this way. That way it can get a better angle, because right here is where the, you know, you push it down. You might have to use a flathead, but once you take it off, that's pretty much it. Now I am gonna change out my tail light that I have in here for the turn signal and put in that one, because I want it to be a lot brighter. So all you do is just twist this just like that, and then you pull it out. Now the reason why I do like these light bulbs from Last Fit are because you do not have to put a resistor or anything in. It's all built in, and you know, it prevents the hyper flash. Pretty much when your light blinks pretty fast, when you have an incandescent bulb and it goes out, you know, you get that same reaction, pretty much telling you that you got to change out your bulb. But a lot of LED light bulbs, when you try to put in an LED bulb, you get that hyper flash. So I do like these bulbs because not only are they bright, but they do you know, prevent having to rewire and put a resistor and all that. So that's a plus for these bulbs right there. Alright, so I got this one installed. Now to compare it, I'm going to leave this OEM original tail light in, put my hazards on, and we're going to see the difference in you know, the look. Alright, turn on my hazards, guys. Let's see how it looks. Wow. So I don't know if you can see how it looks on camera, but I don't know if you can tell, but over there it's more of an orange compared to the red. This is, like I said, the original tail light compared to the JDM tail light. So right off the back, I already like the way it looks. So yeah, let me just install this tail light right here, and then when it gets a little darker, I'll show you what it looks like at night. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes this video, guys. Like I said, that's pretty much what it looks like during the day. Me personally, I think it's well worth the money. If you want to invest in some of these taillights, I think it gives the G35 a different look. Not everybody has these JDM turn signals, so right off the back it looks a lot different. But like I said, if you want to do this same look for your coupe, there is a cheaper way to do it. Like I said, I have a video on that. If you want to, you know, get the same look with the orange turn signal, you know, I have a video on that. Rather than spending all this money on a tail light, you could get the same look. But me personally, I think it's a good modification to do to your G35. But other than that, guys, that pretty much concludes this video. Yeah, it's your boy G Money. I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a great day, and make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Peace.